as our friend Grant Cardone might say, Pete, there's more. FedEx is also exploding to the upside. So they basically came in buying calls at $2.65, Pete. They ran those calls significantly higher because the stock traded up over 300. So the right to buy it at 275 when it's at 300 is worth $25, not $2.63. So bang, that's what I'm talking about. You know, that's another 6x, 600%. So you could potentially, I guess, listen to people on TV talking about how, well, the yield on this stock is 3.5%, yield on that one's 5%, and so forth. We're talking 500%, 600%. Totally different ball game. That's why Warren Buffett, Michael Dell, Mark Cuban, all of these folks trade options, and you should too. But you need to learn about them before you do it, right, Pete?
Absolutely. I mean, the educational process does not take terribly long, but it takes a little bit of time to get understanding of what's going on and all the rest of it, all the different Greeks. But it becomes something that's very important. And as you just pointed out in two so far of our two first stocks, it can pay off pretty well. A lot better than the guys that you and I used to sit next to and go, wow, that stock's up 5% today. I'm killing it. I'm like, 5%? We don't wake up for 5%. Anyway, earnings, they crushed it. Revenue was strong. The free cash flow, unbelievable. Repurchase, $2.5 billion. That seems pretty good. FedEx basically checked every single box that you would want, John. And the last one being the most important one, which is, how was the outlook? The outlook was damn good. So that's why this stock is hitting those 52-week highs. It's been kind of just not going anywhere for a long time. But now we're seeing some really, really nice moves in an economy that's maybe still kind of teetering around a little bit. It shows us that FedEx is doing things the right way. They've been able to improve a lot of the different areas in which they were struggling. And certainly when we look at a stock that's hitting those 52-week highs, that says a lot. As a matter of fact, it's not too far, John, from all-time highs. So nice that it's up for the year, but it's really incredible how close it is to all-time highs, because that says a lot about what they're doing now and how they're doing it right at FedEx.
Exactly right. And it's nice that between Jared sharing all these great charts with you guys and Pete and I describing how a 40-cent investment could go to $4 or $6 or whatever, and how a $2.63 investment goes to $14, $15. Those are why you trade options.